This is prophetic multimedia, the word, your purpose. In case you have not joined us before, this moment I have a word I want us to discuss. People of God, when you are there, things are not moving well for you. As humans, you will be asking yourself a lot of questions. For instance, if things are not moving for you in life the way it's supposed to be, you ask yourself, what is the cause of why things are not moving well for me in life? I am here to let you know there is one thing that can cause a man to be stagnant, that can make a man not to progress in life. The truth of the matter is that most of the time when we start asking ourselves these questions, what we normally say is that it's because we are coming from a poor family. It is because that my friend refuses to support me in that business of mine. That is why I am stagnant in life. But the question is that, is it really true that they are the cause of our predicament? That is what I want us to know to this moment. People of God, Bible says in Psalm 150, the verse 6, say that let everything that has breath praise the living God. People of God, do you know the reason why you are stagnant? Do you know the reason why you are not progressing in life? It's because our generation will lack to acknowledge the fact that the Lord God has done us good. People of God, that is why most of the time we are at the same level that we used to be before, just because we refuse to acknowledge the act of God over our life. Bible says in Jeremiah chapter 30, the verse 19, it says, out of them that shall proceed thanksgiving, and the voice of them that shall make merry, I the Lord, I will multiply them and they shall not be few. I will glorify them and they shall not be small. So now you and I, we can examine why you and I were stagnant in life. It is because we lack to acknowledge the fact that the Lord has done us. I'm here to let you know today that if you and I, we can acknowledge where the Lord has brought us from and where He said to send us, that thing that we are desiring, that level that we want to get into in life, it is just a downhill. Just focus, just be focused and know the plan of God over your life, and I can assure you that that dream of yours will come to pass. This prophetic multimedia, the way, your purpose. Please, in case you are not following us, please, you can press the red button, subscribe and ring the notification bell. Follow us, and I can assure you that your life will never be the same. God richly bless you for making it a time to watch prophetic multimedia. When I say prophetic multimedia, you respond the word, your purpose.